It easy, luckily abundant. This is Bitcoin investment success. For those of you who are bored with the same investment instrument, why not try investing in cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, which is currently trending? How to invest Bitcoin for beginners? First, create an account. Registering and opening an account on an exchange is the main requirement if you want to start buying your first Bitcoin to invest. Bitcoin exchange or Bitcoin exchange is a term for a company that provides a special place that can be used by people from various countries to exchange Bitcoin with fiat currency, other cryptocurrency. Second, get KYC verification. After opening an account, next you have to get KYC verification to be able to process to the next step. If you don't get this verification, you cannot make transaction even though you open an account. Third, make a deposit first. To be able to buy Bitcoin for other crypto assets, you have to make a Rupiah deposit to a specific account. The minimum deposit starts from $2.01 to $3.05 in general. However, there are also exchanges that require a minimum deposit of up to a minimum of $35.07. Fourth, choosing a crypto asset pair. Before starting to make transaction, you must choose the pair or pairs you want to trade. The most popular pair is Bitcoin against Rupiah, or what is the price of Bitcoin in Rupiah. This pair is the same as when buying foreign currency, US dollar to Indonesian Rupiah.